Hi, it's Naya from Webbers and I'm here today at Foxglove View. This development is a collection of 2, 3 and 4 bedroom properties designed and built by Allison Homes. So come and have a look at the show home. So this property design is the Wisteria, which is a 4-bedroom detached home with garage and off-road parking. One of the many features of this property is its double-fronted bay, which allows extra light into the property and provides the additional living accommodation. As you can see, we have a fantastic open-plan kitchen diner, a living room and a study. Upstairs there are 4 good-sized bedrooms, including a master ensuite and spacious family bathroom. This development is located in the popular village of Buckland Brewer, which is only 6 miles from Bideford town centre and has a pub, village hall, community shop, primary school and church. It's also close to the North Devon coastline with all its fantastic beaches. So now you've had a chance to look around the show home. If you have any questions on this design or any others on the site or would like to arrange a visit, please do give us a call.